on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Tuesday, and it is my birthday today, so just enjoying the day with the famo and just enjoying. The sun was out, but it is a beautiful day here in sunny Orlando, Florida. What we're gonna do right now, jump to the Bitcoin price, and that's about it. Just jump into a few tweets. Haven't been online too much today, but hope you've been stacking your Bitcoins. Hope you've been chilling. And I am trading another coin, which we're going to jump into as well, where you can make some money. So if you want to follow, feel free. Smash up that like button, hit that subscribe, and let's jump right into the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin price. All right. All right, let's see what's going on with BTC. Came up to the 200-day moving average. Let's turn this back to the side. Here we go. Came up to the 200-day moving average, which is the yellow moving average that you see here. We have the 20 down here. I'm on the 8 minutes. Jump down to the hour. Okay. Hour looks good. We have a green. Let's turn this full screen. All right, cool. Green dot here, aka blue dot here on the market cipher, on the hourly. This is Hakanashi candles, guys. So let's go to the other chart. All right, and let's jump to the hourly. All right, cool. All right, looking at the hourly chart, came down. Actually, I made a video last night saying that we could come back down to these levels, and we did exactly that. If you were to open up a short, as I was explaining in how to trade in the Bing X video, that was pretty spot on. And I also let you guys know about that red dot on the 4-hour last night as well. So this is the hourly chart, and looks like we came up, bounced off the weekly support and the weekly close, and we are right back to the daily, almost up to the daily, which is 49,000. So we're at 49,461. So looking pretty good here on BTC. And let's go ahead and jump into the next time frame, which is going to be the 4-hour. 4-hour chart looking good. Waiting for a green dot. There was that red dot I was telling you guys about yesterday when I was making that video on how to trade, and just like clockwork, came right on down, and we bounced off the 20-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so that's good. That's good. All right, heading, looks like it's starting to head back up. Money flow is super thick in the green, which is great. Let's look at the daily. Daily still pumping. We do have a red volume on the daily for today, but that's okay. Look how many days we were in the green. We have, since Monday the 5th, we have been pumping. All right, cool. So, and jump down to the weekly real quick. Still looking good. Excellent. Let's look at the 2-day. 2-day looking great. The 27th, you could have went long. Would have made some good money. All right, so that is the 2-day, 1-day, 4-hour, and 1 hour. Target would be 52 to $53,000. 52.5 to 3,000, 53,000. So keep on the lookout for these targets. I do have some alerts set, but I'll set some more. I don't think I have a set on this particular chart. It might not work. Okay, it's on Coinbase, and I'm not on Coinbase right now. All right, cool. So with that being said, let's jump into some tweets and Coin Glass, because I'm sure a bunch of Longs got collapsed per usual. Just hilarious. Wow. I made this tweet. If you guys didn't see it, it's fine. Check the timeline. $44 million in longs liquidated. So, as we all could have guessed, all the late longs getting clapped. 44 million past 24 hours. 50,500 traders were liquidated, equaling up to $154 million. Biggest was Ethereum, and it's $4.6 million. All right, so let's look at the 12-hour. 37 million. Let's look at the 4-hour. Shorts getting clapped. And 1 hour as well, shorts getting clapped. All right, cool. Let's look at the... Somebody asked me how to read the heat map, so I'll go over that with you guys here today real quick. What's the funding rate? All right, so how I read this is very simple, guys. I actually have the app. I don't know why I'm in this web browser, but I can turn it sideways, so I guess that's the reason why. All right, cool. So look at this, guys. So I can do 7-day. You can check out the data. You can check out the cumulative short and long leverage ratio and how much, the liquidation, would be. So all you do is look at what you're looking at here is the amount of longs versus shorts. So this is going to be how many shorts get liquidated at 54,000, which is 2 billion. So you would just look at this chart and you can see, okay, here it shows short liquidation leverage 2 billion here at 54,000. And then on the other side is how many longs, right? And that's 5.32 billion on the long side once we hit the $44,000 level, $44,800 level. So you can see, where the levels can be targeted. Like if they go stop hunting, right? If they go stop hunting and then liquidation hunting, they could knock out these levels, right? So I think we are much more closer to 54,000 than we are, in my opinion, to 44,000. But anything can happen. But I think they'll slap up some more shorts first and then get the longs as well. But you have to keep in mind that a lot of ETFs are buying right now, so a lot of this data, you got to be careful with the data on the short side, that is. All right, we're gonna switch to 30 days now. $55,000. $5 billion at 42,000. Okay, so have a lot of shorts that will get clapped if we do lose these levels. But again, can't be surprised. A lot of people are over leveraged as well, and a lot of people are late leverage longs as well. So gotta be conscious of these things. Let's check out the heat map. $47,290, and then we have some liquidations up here. 200 million at 50,000. 470 million at 50,525. So keep in mind, you got to take all the data, and you got to, make a educated decision on if you're going to go long or short. If you're trading, again, do not trade. If you trade, I recommend that you just stack your Bitcoin and chill. All right, and let's jump into some tweets. And that should be it for today. Oh, actually, I'm in these trades. So for this trade, I want to show you guys real quick. All right, so when this trade goes up 100%, I'm 20x leverage. I'll make $5,818. I'm willing to lose at least, $200 on this particular trade. I don't have a stop loss set right now, but stop loss will be about $200. I'm watching this trade. All right, and then we have BTC, of course. This trade at 53,000 or 52,999, 1,400. And I'm just going to keep this open as well. I'll just move my stop loss into profit after we reach, about halfway there. So about $700. I'll put a stop loss there at 700. But, once Bitcoin goes on a run, Bitcoin goes on a run. So you don't want to be shortchanging your trades when you could just hold and chill, right? So with that being said, those are the two trades that I have open right now. Be on the lookout for these if you want to make some money. Be careful, trade at your own risk. They're showing you guys what I'm doing. Okay. And yes, I am trading a shitcoin because it has the opportunity for me to make $5,000. So I'm going to take that opportunity to make $5,000 and buy some more Bitcoin. I don't care if you like it or not. That's exactly what I'm doing. Okay. So now let's jump into. Absolutely. Jump into some tweets real quick to see what's been going on today. Shout out to Jay Dunn. All right, I haven't been on here all day, so I don't see any. I don't have any tweets that I personally tweeted today. So except for that and just some retweets about my birthday and how much you need to make a day to make money. And Bitcoin's already hit all-time highs and dozens of collapsing fiat currencies. For an example, here's the Nigerian Naira. Parabolic. We've already talked about these things in previous videos. If you did not catch on how to trade, here's my step-by-step video on how to trade on Bing X. Got a lot of people that did watch, 300 people that did watch, so make sure you guys check that out. I'll retweet again. And, we got all the stuff that I already went over in a previous video, so. Cool. All right, so I think that's it because I really haven't been on too much today. Yeah, so. All right, guys, so with that being said, that's going to be the end of today's video. Stack your Bitcoin and chill. All right, if you have not already, head over to Swan, bitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get your $10 free Bitcoin. Make sure you head over to bitcoin.fiatdad.com and, pre-order my new book. Also, we have the Bitcoin party in July that we're going to be throwing. So make sure you guys go and RSVP and get your tickets because, there's only a certain amount of tickets that we have. And I'll make sure to put that in the bio as well because I haven't added that to the bio on my YouTube channel, but it is in the bio on my link tree. Let me go there real quick. There's the link tree, and there it is. Okay. So there you go. Go get that. Go get them. Go get them party. Go get your party pack, and more announcements and more exciting information coming about the Bitcoin block party. Not a block party, just the Bitcoin party at an Airbnb. Tons of special guests and DJ and food and all that good stuff. So with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love. God loves you. I love you. And stack your Bitcoin and chill. Don't trade if you don't know how to trade. If you do know how to trade, please use proper risk management and use stop losses and find your target. Hold to your target. With that being said, Bitcoin Chris checking out. Peace.